So, Shungite, how do we test if it is real? It's pointless having fake Shungite, so we need to test whether it is real or not. And how we do that is with a multimeter. What we want to do is test that there is no resistance between one part of the Shungite and another part. So we'll stick a multimeter probe on one side, stick it on the other, and this tells you basically between the red and black probes there is nothing in the way stopping it. So the beep is just how this multimeter works, but if we were to remove the beep we could see the resistance is next to no resistance, meaning that current can flow between both those probes pretty easily, whereas if we were to do it on, say, something else, that's just not going to happen. If you put it on fake Shungite, you would get a lot of resistance and you certainly wouldn't get the beep, because essentially once we put the two probes together, like so, there's no resistance between the two. So again, with the Shungite, proving there's no resistance and the current is able to flow freely. So this is real Shungite.